About 75,000 people, I think they're expecting. That's pretty cool. There's worse things that we could be doing on a Saturday night. And plus there's the hot air balloons, all the street vendors. It's just a great time, great event for people to come out to.
The music is a huge part of it. This is much more of a street festival, and we've activated the whole 16 blocks of downtown Glendale. We've got 11 bands, every genre you can imagine, country, rock, punk, funk. And the cool thing about it is you just walk down the street and you look to your right and there's one kind of band. You go another 100 feet and there's another kind of band. So it's very spontaneous, exposing people to new music, fun music. I think people get excited about the balloons. The crowd's loving it.
Thank you very much.